Welcome to a short preview video for tonight's sale. It will be with Gina Vintage Digs as usual, and it will be here on my channel at approximately 10:30 Eastern Time, which is 9:30 Central and 7:30 Pacific. We go on as soon as Katie at Vintage and Vinyl is done with her live show, so it's usually about that time. We're always in her show, so as soon as she ends, we do go live. This is our night owl sale every Wednesday. And these items will all be up for grabs, plus a few more. I'm just going to briefly go over each item with you. The first thing I have here is this adorable matching in Japanese cat mug and plate. It's a mama kitty with her kitten. Look at that face. It's just so cute. I also have this. Now this is a butterfly diorama. As you can see, it's in a plastic display. It's so 70s and so boho, and it's fantastic. I love that. I also have another one of these Golden Book of 365 Stories. I think this cover is absolutely phenomenal. Look at the goat and the owl, guys, and the fox. It's so, so cute. And it does have a story for every day of the year, if you're not familiar with these books. Great illustrations, just awesome. Okay, I have a fairy lamp. This is Viking, and it is a handmade fairy lamp. It's in pristine condition. I did not find any flaws with it at all. Back here I have a little golden book of Cinderella. That is a reprint, I believe, from 1980. Speaking of the 80s, I have this doll. She is obviously very Victorian in her attire, and she's Avon. She does have a porcelain head and hands. She's got gloves on, and she's really, really pretty. I believe she is also from the late 80s as well. This beautiful diamond point Indiana glass compote pedestal dish. I like it for displaying jewelry. Look at how much that picks up the bling. Speaking of bling, I do have this necklace with matching earrings. It's so sparkly, guys. Look at that. Beautiful rhinestones with pearls as well. I also have a few brooches. This is the first one. This is a really pretty pink butterfly brooch. I have an adorable thimble. It is a flamingo. I have this really cool, I guess it's probably a scarf. It could be a small table runner or a dresser scarf as well. It is Paris, and it has all the different landmarks of Paris on it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love this color blue. I have a beautiful angel back here. She is so pretty. Look at all the detail in her. I did pick her up over the weekend, so there is more of her in video I posted, I think 2 days ago. I have this beautiful carnival glass candle holder. It is marigold, and it is a great pattern. It is so pretty, guys. I have this really pretty cross rhinestone necklace. It does have leather and then some beading as well. Just really pretty. Speaking of pretty, I have this really cool plastic amber colored beaded necklace. It's so cool. I love it. I have Fenton Silvercrest, or pink Silvercrest. It's absolutely beautiful as well, in excellent shape. This is just a little dish. You could use it for, I would use it for jewelry. I mean, it is so pretty. You could use it for anything, though. I have some brooches back here. This one is Sarah Coventry. I think it's really cool. And then I have this bee. I love this bee too. It has like Art Deco lines to it, and I think it's really cool. This is a fleur-de-lis. It's a larger brooch. And then I have this pretty gold braided brooch as well. This one is not marked, but it's high quality. At least I don't remember it being marked. No, I don't think there's a marking. Oh, I take that back. I'm going to have to use my loop and make sure. But look at it. It's really cool. I have these two really pretty bud vases in excellent, excellent shape. I think they're on art now. I can't remember. Let's see. Or adult. That's right. They're very, very pretty. No damage on them whatsoever. I have the super kitschy anthropomorphic salt and pepper shakers. This one is salt, obviously. And this one is pepper. How cute are they? They're adorable. I have two very old wooden, they might actually be a hard resin salt and peppers. These are two squirrels. And one of them does have the original cork, but one of them is missing it. But aren't they cute? I have these really cool wooden peppers. They are like on a rope or a string, so you could hang them in your kitchen. They're great if you're going for a boho look or anything like that. I have this really pretty art glass. This is probably a planter or a candle holder. It could be either or. It's got these really pretty orange colors in it. I think this piece is so beautiful. Okay, so I picked this up a while, guys, and I was going to put it on eBay, but then I was looking at it and I thought, there are people who come to our sales that probably would enjoy this. It is a larger puzzle. It's 1,500 pieces. Look at the ladies in it. They're very 1960s. I just love it. I'm trying to remember if it's Collage Time is the name of this. I thought maybe it had a different name, but I was wrong. I have this adorable little golden book, Pussy Willow. That is also a reprint, I believe, from the 80s, and it is also in excellent shape. It has some really cute pictures, too. Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this short little video. Again, we will be live on my channel about 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we hope you can make it. We always have fun on our Wednesday night owl sales. Okay, guys, I hope everyone has a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you later. Thanks.